Go to Customers. Once you are in the Customers page, type in the customer you wish to manage, then press Search. Once you have found the customer you wish to manage, click Select Customer. Then, on the far left, click Services. Then, Edit Service Details. Once you are in the server, find the extension that you wish to use on the PC app. After you have done this, go back to the My Dashboard page. Once you are on your dashboard, scroll down until you see People. Then click on the People tab. Once you are in this page, you will see a More Options button on the far right. Click New Person. In this section, you will be able to enter the basic details about the customer. Once you have entered these details, on the far right you will see a drop-down. Select Main from the drop-down. In this box, type in the extension number you wish to use on the PC app. Once you have filled in the name, email address and the extension number, scroll down and click on the Portal Access drop-down. Here you will find an empty password box. Type in a password of your choice. This, along with the email address you have specified, will be used to sign into the PC app later in the video. Once you have typed in a password, scroll down and press Save. Now you have successfully added a profile. Once you have successfully added this profile, you will need to download the VIPVoIP Companion app. There will be a link on screen now. Once the app has opened, you will now see a username and password box. You will now need to enter the credentials that you originally set in the profile. Once you've entered these details, you can then sign in. The VIPVoIP Companion app will automatically restart. After the VIPVoIP companion app has restarted, it will automatically switch to online as the status. You will now be able to make and receive calls using the app. After this step, I would recommend going back to the server just to make sure that the extension is online. Once you are back on the server, the extension number should now be green. Click Edit on the user device. Once you are in the user extension, scroll down and the credentials should say Online. If they say Online, that means you have successfully configured the VIPVoIP companion app.